Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you all are doing really well, trying to stay as productive as you can or just spending some quality time with your family. Also guys, I started uploading some Sunday special videos with my husband. I hope you guys are enjoying them too, and the videos are linked right on your screen. So now talking about the video, as you can all read by the caption, I'm going to follow Malvika Sitlani's makeup tutorial where she is going to do a soft brown smoky eyes using only 3 shades. Okay, so a quick disclaimer before we begin the video. I might not have all the products that she's using in the video, so I'll be using the products that are closest to what she's using. So there are like a lot of tutorials on her channel, and I'll be going with this Glam AF tutorial using only drugstore products. So as you can see that first she is using a primer oil, but I don't have it, so I'll be directly moving on to my primer. The primer that she is using is this Nykaa Prep Me Up primer.
All you want to do is apply the tiniest amount and you want to pat it into the skin. So if you have pores around your cheek, you want to take it and pat and press at the same time.
Moving on to concealer, she is using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I'm in the shade 20 Sand.
It is really nice. It's got like a medium coverage. And now we're gonna start blending this out.
Know if you are following a Malvika Sitlani tutorial, then it's must to use 2 concealers, one to just conceal the dark circles and the other one to brighten the under eyes. For foundation, this is what she is using. This is Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude. So I think this is one of the best foundation in drugstore category, and I even like the L'Oreal Infallible, and I think the Revlon Airbrush Effect is also an amazing foundation in the drugstore category. For loose powder, she is using the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. So am I. This is my Fit Me loose powder, but this is what I'm left with at the moment. Definitely gonna order it once the lockdown is over. So we're gonna do a little bit of baking, and I'm gonna set the rest of my face using this powder. Moving on to brows, I'm using this Wet n Wild eyebrow kit, and she's using the K Beauty, but I don't have it, so I don't know how much to say about this product. It's an amazing product, and this even comes with a small mirror, 2 colors, and a wax and an angular brush. So I think it's amazing. We're done with the main makeup. Like, my base is done, my brows are done. So moving on to eyes, she is using the Nykaa Just Wink It palette, but I don't have it, so I'm going in with this Nykaa Eyes on Me palette. This is their latest launch, and this is definitely a drugstore palette, and this is priced at ₹599. So I'm going to take this beautiful brown color on my eyeshadow blending brush. I'm going to apply it on my eyes, like right in the crease. So I think the colors blend beautifully, and if you guys are looking for a drugstore palette, then this is what I would recommend to you all. You can see that this has beautiful warm shades, this has mattes, this has shimmer, so it's an amazing palette. It's travel friendly. So we are going to create a matte smoky eyes, and I'm just going to take a little bit of this black color on my shader brush. Now I'm just going to apply this black color as a liner, and then I'm going to smudge it. Now just to deepen the crease, I'm going to pick this dark brown shade, and I'm just going to take this on my dome shaped brush. Now I'm going to use the same black color that I used earlier, and I'm just gonna go really tight, like just above my lashes. Now I'm just going to pick up the shade that I used initially, this soft brown, and I'm just going to take this on my dome shaped brush, and I'm gonna smoke this out because we don't want a harsh line. Now I'm gonna go on and put some mascara, and I'm using this one from Maybelline. This is Hyper Curl mascara, and I think this works amazing in the drugstore category. She is using the Lash Sensational, even that works amazing in the drugstore category. Now we're almost done with the eyes, and using only 3 shades we created this look. It's all matte. I totally love this look. Moving on to contour, I am using this contour powder from Sugar Cosmetics, and she is going on with the L'Oreal bronzer. So now I'm going to contour my nose, and I don't have a contour brush. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this fluffy brush, and I'm just going to like press it like this. So now it's like it's a little bit flat. So now I'm just going to contour my nose like this. Okay, so this almost does the same job as a contour brush, like you can say kaam chalao. So you can try this. On to blush, I am using the one from Sugar Cosmetics. This is in the shade Peach Peak 01, and she is using the one from Maybelline. Moving on to highlighter, again I am using this one from Maybelline. This is in the shade Molten Gold 100, and she is also using the same. I'm gonna just dig in my brush into this Gold Beauty, just like this, and I'm gonna just apply it on the high points of my face. This is so beautiful. I think it's one of the best in drugstore category. Moving on to lips, I am using this lip liner from Maybelline, and this is in the shade 630 Velvet Beige. And for my lipstick, I'm using this Nykaa matte lipstick in the shade Bombay. This is the final look, and I totally love how this look has turned out to be. Like, the base looks flawless, the eyeshadow blending looks perfect, and I've just used 3 colors to get this soft brown smoky eyes, and I think this is the perfect kind of makeup you can wear to any occasion. Also, I'm linking her video right in the info box that I tried to follow. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you like it, give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments below if you want me to make more such videos. Till then, stay home, stay safe.